When a seal fails under heat, pressure, or chemical exposure, the result is often leaks, downtime, and costly repairs. Reinzosil RTV Sealant is engineered for professionals who need a reliable, long-lasting sealing solution in demanding automotive environments. Known across Europe as a trusted RTV choice, this universal sealing compound delivers performance where ordinary sealants fall short. Reinzosil is designed to remain highly elastic even under extreme temperature changes, resisting temperatures from -58 degrees Fahrenheit up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, and briefly tolerating temperatures as high as 572 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide temperature resistance makes it ideal for critical engine components exposed to constant heat cycles, such as valve covers, oil pans, intake manifolds, and gasket intersections originally sealed with RTV by the manufacturer. Chemical resistance is another key advantage. This sealant offers excellent durability against mineral oils, synthetic oils, lubricants, petrol, diesel fuel, greases, detergents, hot and cold water, salt water, sunlight, and ozone. Once cured, it forms a resilient seal that helps prevent leaks even in harsh operating conditions. The fast, acid-free curing formula is odorless and safe for oxygen sensors, making it suitable for modern engines with sensitive emissions components. Reinzosil is capable of sealing gaps greater than 0.006 inches, allowing it to compensate for minor surface irregularities and imperfect mating surfaces. Application is straightforward using the included nozzle, giving precise control during installation and helping ensure a clean, consistent bead. Many technicians appreciate its low odor and easy handling, especially when working in enclosed spaces. Whether you are addressing gasket intersections, replacing factory RTV seals, or repairing components exposed to high heat and fluids, this sealant delivers dependable results. Check the product link in the video description to learn more and purchase it today. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated on professional-grade automotive products and workshop essentials.